Have you ever found it frustrating or confusing getting across traffic at the plaza near Centennial Monument? Well, a plan is underway for a revamp of the plaza to create additional open space and maximize traffic flow through the square.
Really, when this was designed, it was decades ago, and automobiles didn't exist, and they didn't exist to the volume that we have today. It really makes absolutely no sense, the flow of traffic that we have and that we continually have to deal with. It's like playing leapfrog.
In December of 2013, Commissioner Edwin Reyes gained approval from the Cook County Board for $275,000 in funding for the planning of a reconfigured plaza. This funding, along with an equal amount pledged by the City of Chicago, qualifies the project for federal funds.
Traditionally, Cook County government wasn't involved in these type of projects, but it's a new day, it's a new administration, and we want to let county taxpayers know that are in the city of Chicago, right? Because just under 10% of your property tax bills goes to the county coffers, that we're doing some good work in the city of Chicago, especially here in Logan Square, which, as you know, is the most bicycle-friendly community in the country, and this is only going to add to that reputation and bring it up a few notches.
Dubbed the Bicentennial Improvement Project, the project is to be completed by the time Illinois celebrates its bicentennial in 2018. The Logan Square Open Space Plan, adopted by the City of Chicago in 2004, recognized that Logan Square had the least amount of open space per capita of any area within Chicago. The Open Space Plan also calls for a redesign of the plaza to create more open space in the center of the community. The Bicentennial Improvement Project will not only improve safety and traffic flow at this intersection, it will, along with the 606 and Bloomingdale Trail, create a destination for Chicago visitors.
This is only going to add to Logan Square's appeal, not only here in the city, but throughout the country, as being a pedestrian bicyclist community. And I think the city of Chicago, the residents of Logan Square, and folks visiting Logan Square are going to be really, really happy and really impressed. And I think this will be used as a model nationwide, along with the 606 Trail. And when those two projects are up and running, it's just going to be a more wonderful place to live. And I'm proud to be a part of it, and I'm proud to be a Logan Square resident.
To find out more about the Bicentennial Improvement Project and to sign a petition showing your support for these changes, find the link to their Facebook page on Logan Square TV. At Centennial Monument in Logan Square, I'm Maple Walker.